As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. Today my topics regarding Afghanistan and Pakistan's recent conflict. In times of hardship, our hearts naturally turn toward truth, justice and compassion. As human beings, and especially as part of the one Ummah, it becomes difficult to remain silent when we see pain and suffering affecting innocent people across the Muslim world, particularly in places like Afghanistan and Pakistan. Life constantly reminds us that power is not measured by strength alone, but by how the strength is used. True power lies in protecting the weak, standing for justice, and showing mercy even in difficult moments. When those who hold authority act with wisdom, fairness, and compassion, they become a source of hope rather than fear. We must also remember that divisions only weaken us, while unity builds us on justice and mutual respect strengthen us. Our responsibility is not only to question what is wrong, but also to encourage what is right with patient understanding and sincerity. My hope is that all sides reflect deeply and choose a path that honors dignity, protects innocent lives, and brings us close to peace. Strength should always stand beside justice. And authority should always serve humanity. Let us raise our voice, not in anger, but in wisdom. Let us call for accountability, but also for unity. And let us pray that those with power use it to defend the oppressed, uplift their people, and bring meaningful changes with it most needed. May Allah guide all toward what is right, unite our hearts, and grant peace to those who are suffering. As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.